Hey everyone, I'm the Train with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 21W11A for Minecraft. This snapshot has some new features and mechanics for Copper, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the snapshot. In this new snapshot, lightning rods can be waterlogged, meaning that they can be placed in water and can attract lightning even when underwater, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Copper also got some new functionality added, as in this new snapshot, right-clicking on copper blocks with honeycomb makes the copper blocks waxed, which means that they will not oxidize over time like regular copper blocks. You can also use honeycomb in a dispenser to wax copper blocks, meaning that you can now have automatic waxing farms. Interesting new farm type, I can't lie. This is a helpful new mechanic, especially for builders who don't want their builds to turn green over time, or forgot to wax their copper blocks. By using an axe on copper blocks, you can also now scrape off wax and oxidation of these blocks. So, if you did want your build to turn green, you can now do that. Speaking of waxed copper blocks can now be crafted into 4 copper ingots, which is already a crafting recipe in previous versions for the regular copper blocks. Moss blocks can be crafted with cobblestone or stone bricks to make the mossy variants of these blocks. By bone mealing the rooted dirt block, hanging roots will be grown underneath, making it easy to get these new hanging roots. There was also a massive bug in the last snapshot in which enchanting was completely broken, but this has been fixed in this snapshot. Instead, a new bug has been introduced where apparently you don't need lapis to enchant. That's fine with me, Mojang, I'm just saying. Also, amethyst clusters that are fully grown now drop 4 amethyst shards when mined with a pickaxe, or drop 2 amethyst shards when broken by hand or by other means. In this version, glow lichen can now be used in a composter to get bone meal. Azaleas can now be used as fuel in the snapshot. And the direction a small drip leaf block faces is now determined by the player's direction while placing the block. And, on the topic of drip leaves, the big drip leaf block now drops when breaking a big drip leaf stem. This snapshot added a brand new shortcut to generate and look at performance metrics in-game. To activate this new shortcut, press F3 plus L, and a 10-second recording capturing metrics like tick durations, heap sizes used by the game, and other metrics will be captured and saved into a file directory of Minecraft/debug/profiling. Since Minecraft changed their rendering pipeline last week to OpenGL, there were a number of bugs and issues with graphics that were solved this week. Firstly, fast graphics had numerous bugs in the last snapshot, such as having a black overlay when freezing in powder snow, and a black overlay when wearing a pumpkin on your head. But both of these bugs were fixed in these snapshots, and they should no longer be a problem from now on. Spectators also couldn't see through lava in the previous snapshot, but this bug has been patched today, and lava shall now look like this if you are in spectator mode. And finally, the world builder had a number of reported bugs last week, such as being rendered white and looking like this, which is, this is gross. But these bugs have been fixed in this snapshot. And that is all for the snapshot coverage video covering 21W11A. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then please subscribe and drop a like. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our videos for content featuring mod and plugin reviews. I couldn't go over every single bug fixed in this version, as the video would be hours long, but if you'd like to read the full snapshot article page, then the link for the article will be in the description below. And if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to mess around with the new copper block mechanics with your friends, then head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching, I'm the Train, peace out.